Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your date of birth using Jez. So go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and then go to jez.net. Now you should go and click on web browser. You must have to log in first, so go to your profile and you must have to log in. Now go to account settings and you can see that there's an option of date of birth. Now go ahead and fill up your date of birth. And after that, click on Save Changes. You can see that you have successfully changed your date of birth. Let me show it to you once again how you can change your date of birth. Go to your profile on the right hand side. Click on the profile. Go to account settings. You can see there's date of birth. Choose your date of birth. Then click on Save Changes. And this is how you change a date of birth in Jez. I hope this video was helpful. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.